Hi, One Hour Smart Home here, and today we're going to show you how to factory reset your Sensi Touch Smart Thermostat. So if you just moved into a home with one of these, or you're moving out of your home and you want to reset and delete all your information, or you want to set this up on your new account, you can do so. In order to factory reset your Sensi Touch Smart Thermostat, all you need to do is wake it up so that you've got the options on the screen. Then we're going to click on the menu button in the upper left-hand corner here. Now you've got a whole bunch of options here, but what you're going to do is click on About Thermostat right there. Now you've got a whole bunch of information right here that's all blocked out, and that's just the MAC address and serial numbers, but you don't need that in order to reset it. In order to reset this to factory default settings so that you can set it back up on your own account, or you can reset it so none of your personal information is on there when you move out, all you need to do now is click on the factory reset in the lower right hand corner here. It says factory reset. Restore to default settings and removed saved Wi-Fi network, smart home connections, thermostat schedules, thermostat lock settings, and preferences. Yes, we want to reset all of these, so now we're just going to click reset thermostat right here, and it's factory resetting our Sensi Touch Wi-Fi smart thermostat. Now this has been completely factory reset, so that if you want to set it back up on your phone, you can do so. We've got another video that will show you how to set up your Sensi Smart Thermostat so that you can connect it to Wi-Fi and you're going to be able to control it from your phone. So I recommend you check those links down below if you want to learn how to set this back up. So thank you for watching this video on how to reset your Sensi Touch Smart Thermostat, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.